Saving money from your monthly salary starts with a clear understanding of your financial situation. Begin by creating a budget that outlines both your fixed and variable expenses. Fixed expenses like rent or mortgage, those payments, utilities, and insurance are predictable, while variable costs such as what's wrong with me? Groceries, entertainment, and transportation can fluctuate. By tracking your spending habits, you're going to identify the area where you can cut back, even if it's small amounts that add up over time. So, one effective way to save is to automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer to separate savings that account right after you receive your salary. So, this approach ensures that you're saving first rather than waiting until the end of the month where there might be little to nothing left aside. So, additionally, you're going to consider reviewing your discretionary spending. Simple changes like cooking at home instead of eating out, or opting for public transportation rather than driving. I know that's a tough one. It can create more room in your budget for savings. So it's also helpful to take advantage of the employee benefits such as retirement plan contributions, which often come with matching contributions. All right, lastly, focusing on long-term goals, even if you start with a small savings, consistent monthly deposits are going to help you build financial security and work towards larger milestones such as an emergency fund or future investments. Let me know if this helped.